focusing on that layup.
Ito.
Ito si Frias, binabantay ni Montaño. Ito, may double team na. Spins away from 2 defenders. Oh, what a finish there.
Frias is now their
Montaño. Ito, may double team na. Spins away from 2 defenders. Oh! Wow. Trying to locate his teammate inside but intercepted. Valenzuela.
Look at that ring run by number 17. Ito ng Valenzuela. Kapatan.
Valenzuela. The follow-up is good. Valenzuela lost yesterday against Pampanga naman. Last
Pampanga rin talaga. Pinakitaan din nila itong Valenzuela ng might nila.
Nakita natin, Kingdom Frias gets that layup plus a foul. He will trip to the line for a free-point play. Again, you saw there that aggressive drive to the hoop. Rojas gustong sumubok ulit. That's 2 out of 2. Galing dito kay Rojas. Gayo cleans it up. And a timeout requested here by...
Naman natin dito, those teams run on the first half pero talagang pinahabol dito umabol dito yung Bulacan dito on their fast break points here with 13 fast break points against dito sa Bulacan na 10 lang. So kita naman natin almost half their score.
May pinaglalabanan pa itong dalawang kupunan na ito, no? Only one team will be eliminated after the elimination round as Kipuls para dito sa Valenzuela.
Alam naman natin sa playoffs, di ba? Meron tayo dito play.
Oo, yun.
So the 7, 8, 9, and 10. So isa lang matatanggal sa division. Isa or dalawa. Para alam ko naging 12 na to.
Nag-flicks pa nun si De La Paz after that basket, no?
Talaga mga bata talaga. You know? The crowd is enjoying it here. Dito sa Villar Coliseum here in Las Piñas.
Frias, top of the key against Ustestica. Sa loob kay Pulyo na libre. And that gamble does not pay off for Bulacan. That's now a 5.
Malaking kawalan dito si Bañadera. Alam naman natin. Gipula yung Bañadera. Ito. Go home na walang panalo dito sa dalawang team na to. Alam naman natin, these two teams is 2 winless teams right there. Oh!
Agawan ng bola. And ball will stay on the side of Valenzuela. That was a sorry miss at the line by Check out the replay here. Aba, nag-agabang buko dito si Ustestica and si Frias.